Hi friends, and welcome back to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. Last week we mentioned the clocking of a project from 44.1 to 48 kilohertz. That was one method. Today I'm gonna show you another method, a faster method, but with a little, I guess, a bug, because it feels wrong the way I do it, but that's the way that it works. So let's switch over to Cubase and let's find out. I play back this song. This song I have made in back a couple of years ago with my old sound card, the Mocho, or at least a sound card which is 44.1 kilohertz, and my today my sound card is this one. It's actually a mixer, and I have hooked it up via USB to the computer. But this one works only. The lowest frequency is 48 kilohertz. So what happens when I play back a song is that it sounds a little bit like this. It sounds a bit too high, and that's because the project is still on 44.1, and that Cubase says it's an unsupported sample rate, so it tries to fix it in 48 kilohertz. So I'm gonna change that, and I say OK, and I'm gonna say convert the files. Everything proceeds. I want to keep the original source files, because when I want to change back to the previous files or another sound card, I need the source files as well. So I get the files double. So the new one, the converted one, and the old one. There it goes. Yes, we want to convert the musical mode as well. There we go. And we want to keep that as well. And there it goes. Do you want to keep the audio events at their sample positions? Well, you should suppose you would say here yes, but I say no, because otherwise it will move. So now nothing. It seems like nothing changed, but you can hear it's almost 9% lower. This is the original height of the tones. So that's my trick of this tutorial Tuesday. It's a short one, almost 5 minutes. But I didn't show you last week because of this last pop-up, which says keep the samples on their original position, and you have to press no. I had to figure that out for myself, because I was thinking, why is it so annoying to reclock a project? It should be very easy, and this is what I found out. So I would thank you for watching again my tutorial. Tune in next week for another tutorial on Tutorial Tuesday. If you want to know more about me or my music project NRG, find me on the internet on www.nrg-music.com. And I hope to see you again next week. Bye bye. Hi friends, it's me again. Last one was a very, very, very short tutorial of almost 5 minutes, so I guess I add some more info about Cubase and some tips and tricks. The biggest and most important tip I'm gonna give you when using Cubase, using any program, is the autosave function. I'm gonna switch over to Cubase. Well, this is the project I showed you in the previous tutorial. I'm gonna save it. First I saved it as a new version on 48 kilohertz. So and then you can just save it. But in the preferences, you go to the edit, you go to preferences, and then with the general preferences, here it is, auto save. Click that one. Let's say 1 minute save interval, 10 backup files. This means your project will be saved every minute. So if you have any problems with when your plugins stop the Cubase, or when the program shuts down, you have always a backup file, and at least 10 backup files, so 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the last one will be overwritten again. But this is the biggest tip I could give you, and that's autosave always. So, hope that was a bit interesting, and hope to see you next time on another Tutorial Tuesday. See you next time. Bye bye.